Welcome back to Rafi Gadget Reviews. If your car is still running with just a basic dashcam, you are missing out on a whole new level of protection. Today, we're checking out something way more advanced, the Botslab G980H, a full-fledged 4-channel dashcam that watches not just the front, but also both sides at the rear of your vehicle. That's full 560-degree surveillance coverage, which means absolutely zero blind spots. Let's start with what you get in the box. First up, you have the main front camera along with 2 snap-on side cameras and 1 rear camera. All the wiring you need is included, along with a cleaning cloth and 2 sets of adhesive stickers, one for the front cam and one for the back. You also get a free 128GB SSD card, a warning sticker that tells people they are being recorded, and of course a user manual to get you started. Now let's talk about why this dashcam stands out. The Botslab G980H records in 3K resolution using all 4 cameras simultaneously. That includes a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, 2 120-degree side cameras and a 150-degree rear camera. The result is crystal clear video footage from every possible angle, perfect for catching license plates or analyzing accidents. And if you want to scale it down a bit, you can detach the side cams thanks to their magnetic mounts and use it in 3-channel 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p or even 2-channel 4K plus 1080p mode. Another powerful feature is the 24/7 parking mode. This dashcam supports 3 smart monitoring functions, but you will need a decided handwriting kit to enable them. First, there's a time-lapse recording which captures video at 1 frame per second to save on storage while still monitoring your car. Then there's sanitary mode which kicks in when movement is detected within 5 meters in front of the car, instantly recording a 1-minute emergency clip. And finally, there's collision detection which automatically looks and saves a 1-minute video in case of impact, protecting your crucial evidence from being overwritten. Night driving? No problem. This dashcam is equipped with an 1.8 large aperture, a 6-lens optical system, 940mm infrared LED and WDR means wide dynamic range. That means you get sharp, well-balanced footage in low light, even when you are parked in dimly light area or driving through pitch black roads. The f1.8 aperture pulls in more light, resulting in better clarity than most traditional dashcams out there. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, voice control. You can literally tell the dashcam to start recording or snap a photo completely hands-free. That means you never have to take your eyes off the road. It also comes with a 3.18-inch touchscreen that makes navigation super intuitive. What's even better is that the screen shows all 4 camera views at once. No more toggling between feeds when you are reviewing a clip. The split screen playback gives you a comprehensive view of everything around your vehicle, and it's all visible right there on the screen. And yes, it has a built-in GPS. The camera locks your car location, speed and route in real time. You can replay your journey with animated GPS data on your PC using their custom DV Player software. On top of that, the Botslab app adds an AR overlay to your video footage, showing your coordinates and real-time speed right on the video itself. This is a big plus for drivers who want detailed documentation or those who travel frequently. For file transfer, the G980H takes it up a notch with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which is up to 3 times faster than the old 2.4 GHz connections. This means you can instantly export and share 4K footage from your phone without any waiting. No cables, no hassle, just fast wireless downloads straight from the dashcam. Another super impressive safety feature is the 8-second pre-recording function. Whenever the high-precision G sensor detects a collision or unusual vibration, it not only saves the footage after the event but also captures the 8 seconds leading up to the incident. That's something most dashcam don't offer, and it makes a huge difference when you are trying to piece together what really happened. You won't just get half the story, you will get the full picture. This dashcam is also built to last. Instead of using a battery, it comes with a super capacitor, which is much more reliable. It performs flawlessly in extreme temperatures from -20°C up to 70°C, and it won't lose data during sudden power cuts. That makes it ideal for all weather parking mode and ensures your dashcam works no matter the conditions. To sum it all up, the Botslab G980H is not your average dashcam. It's a complete 360-degree protection system packed with top-tier features, 3K video recording on all sides, real-time GPS tracking, night vision, voice and touch control, smart parking modes, blazing fast Wi-Fi, and the stability of a supercapacitor. Whether you are on the highway, parked outside your home, or travel through the city, this dashcam keeps your vehicle secure and every moment recorded. And with everything included in the box, from the camera to the memory card, you have ready to go straight out of the package. If you are someone who values safety, evidence, and modern features in your car accessories, the Botslab G980H is absolutely worth considering. It's built for the drivers who don't want to leave anything to chance. Secure your drive, upgrade your footage, and give yourself that peace of mind on every journey. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this dashcam, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews right here on Rafi Gadget Reviews. Bye bye.